Eh, why during Chinese New Year always got those all the dong dong chang lah, loud noises and firecrackers?
Well, according to Chinese folklore, loud noises and firecrackers are believed to scare away evil spirits and bad lucks during Chinese New Year. Other than evil spirits in Chinese culture, it is also believed that loud noises from fireworks can drive away the Nian, a mystical beast that could come out to eat people, especially children in Chinese New Year Eve.
I thought it was just about the idea of celebration and joy, so that's why.
Yep, but it's also a way to wishing for a bright and prosperous new year for the community. Want to know more about Chinese custom and traditions? Follow BCSD.